A beaker full of hot water is kept in a room. If it's cooled from 80 degrees Celsius to 75 degrees Celsius in T1 minutes, and from 75 to 70 in T2 minutes, and from 70 to 65 in T3 minutes. So over here it is given that the difference in temperature is same. Like in first case it is changing from 80 to 75, so the difference in temperature is 5. And second situation it is changing from 75 to 70, so the difference in temperature is again same. But we know that according to Newton's law of cooling, this rate of cooling, the rate at which the cooling is happening, is directly proportional to the difference in temperature, temperature of object minus temperature of surrounding. So as the temperature of object decreases, thus T is going to decrease, or the difference is going to decrease. So as the difference is going to get decreased, means the difference between temperature of object and surrounding is going to get decreased, the rate of cooling is going to decrease. As the rate of cooling is decreased, that means it will take more time for same change in temperature. So for the first time, if it is 80 to 75, it is happening in time T1, and 75 to 70 it is happening in time T2, and 75 to 65 it is happening in time T3. So definitely we can say that this T3 will be more as compared to that of T2, which will be more as compared to that of T1. So as the temperature decreases, difference in temperature decreases. As difference in temperature decreases, rate of cooling decreases. As rate of cooling decreases, it will take more time for same cooling or same change in temperature. So you can say that option 1 is correct, where T3 is greater than T2, which is greater than T1.